Hi everyone, I'm Stella from Beyond Norm. We all know physical health is important, but mental health is the foundation that supports everything, including our body, productivity, and happiness. Without a healthy mind, even the strongest body can struggle. So today, I want to share 5 simple but powerful activities to keep your mind healthy and strong every day. 1. Regular exercise. Regular exercise means making physical activity a natural part of your routine, not just once in a while. This can be walking, cycling, swimming, or anything that gets your heart pumping. Why? Exercise releases endorphins, which boost your mood and reduce stress. It helps clear your mind, improve memory, and fight anxiety and depression. But sticking to exercise can be tough. Busy schedules, low motivation, or feeling tired often get in the way. The key is to find activities you enjoy, set realistic goals, and treat exercise like a positive habit, not a chore. 2. Social connection. Building and maintaining meaningful relationships with family, friends, and your community is essential. Social connection means regular communication, sharing experiences, and supporting each other. Why? Humans are social creatures. Strong relationships give us emotional support, a sense of belonging, and help reduce loneliness and stress. Challenges include busy lives, distance, or social anxiety. Digital contact can't fully replace face-to-face time, so making real connections takes effort, courage, and prioritizing social time even when life gets hectic. 3. Setting goals and having purpose. Having clear, meaningful goals and a sense of purpose gives your life direction. It motivates you, helps you focus, and builds resilience when facing setbacks. Why? Purpose makes life feel fulfilling and helps you manage stress better. When you know what you're working toward, it's easier to keep going. But sometimes, people struggle to set goals or lose sight of them because of fear, uncertainty, or distractions. It helps to break goals into small steps and reflect on what truly matters to you. 4. Limiting screen time and social media. Reducing time spent on phones, computers, and especially social media is important for mental health. Why? Too much screen time can cause eye strain, disrupt sleep, and increase feelings of anxiety or loneliness due to unhealthy comparisons. Cutting back frees up time for real-life connections, rest, and meaningful activities. It's hard though because devices are everywhere and social media is designed to keep you hooked. Setting clear boundaries, finding other engaging hobbies, and practicing self-discipline are key to breaking the cycle. Number 5. Learning new skills or hobbies. Trying new things like arts, sports, cooking, or languages keeps your brain active and growing. Why? Learning boosts memory, focus, and confidence. It also provides joy, relaxation, and a healthy way to manage stress. Many find it difficult to start or keep going because of time, motivation, or fear of failure. The secret is to commit a little time regularly, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process of growth. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your body. By moving regularly, connecting with others, finding purpose, managing screen time, and learning new skills, you build a strong foundation for a happier, healthier life. Now, here are some questions to think about or discuss with friends and family. 1. How does regular exercise impact your mood and mental clarity during stressful times? 2. In what ways do your social relationships influence your mental health and sense of belonging? 3. How do setting goals and having a sense of purpose affect your motivation and overall mental well-being? 4. How does your screen time or social media use influence your mood and stress levels? 5. What new skill or hobby have you tried recently, and how did it affect your mental health? Thanks for listening. I'm Stella from Beyond Norm, wishing you well on your mental health journey.